The next topic of the STQA, that is the software engineering and quality assurance, is that principles of good user interface design. A good user interface design ensures that user can interact with the system easily, efficiently and pleasantly. Below are the main principles. Uh, First is the simplicity. The interface should be simple and intuitive, avoiding necessary complexity. For example, Google's homepage with just a search box and a button. Second is the consistency. Similar operations and elements should look and behave the same throughout the applications. For example, we can use the save button always appear in same location with the same icon. Third principle is that feedback. The system should provide clear feedback after each user action. For example, a progress bar while uploading a file. Fourth principle is that visibility of system status. The system should always keep user informed about what is happening. For example, we showing the loading while renewing the data. Next principle is that error prevention and recovery. Design should minimize chances of errors and provide easy recovery options. For example, confirmation pop-up before deleting a file or undo a option. Sixth is that flexibility and efficiency. The interface should cater to both novice users, simple options and expert users. For example, the Microsoft Word allows both menu navigations and keyword shortcuts. For example, Ctrl C or Ctrl V. The requirement analysis in domain-specific applications are the requirement analysis is the process of gathering, analyzing, and documenting the needs of stakeholders. So, in domain-specific applications, it ensures that software is tailored to the unique needs of particular industry or field. For example, healthcare, electronics, and mechanical system. So how requirement analysis help? Understanding the domain needs identifies functional and non-functional requirements specific to the domain. For example, in healthcare, requirement may include patient data privacy and integration with the medical devices. Customization of features ensure the software includes only functions needed for that domain. For example, in mechanical system, predictive maintenance features like machine health monitoring and prioritize. Third requirement is that improve accuracy, analyzes workflow and process unique to the domain, reducing errors. For example, in electronics, real-time monitoring software requires precise sensor data handling. Third, next requirement is that better user satisfaction. So it captures user expectations within the domain, leading to a system that fits their work style. For example, in banking system with the easy online transaction tracking for the customer. Next requirement is that compliances and standard ensure the system adhere to industry specific regulations. For example, in healthcare software must comply with the security. So this is the online library management system, that is, it includes the actors and use cases. The actors include the student or member uses the systems to search, borrow and return the books. Second actor is a librarian, manages books, issue returns and maintain records. Third actor is that administrator, manages the users and system setting. Use cases are search book, borrow book, return the book, pay fine, add remove books, register new user,